Technology is changing fast, it's amazing. Coding is behind it all. From phones to apps, code powers our world. Learning to code is important, it opens up new opportunities. It wasn't that long ago that most people thought coding was only for computer geniuses. Not anymore. These days everyone can learn to code, and many people do because it's a skill needed for so many jobs these days. Learning to code can be challenging, but don't worry, that's perfectly normal. Everyone feels that way when they are first learning. With the right approach, you can learn to code quickly. Hi everyone, let's learn to code together. It's easier than you think, especially if you learn it quickly. Knowing how to code is a superpower. You can build websites, apps, and even games. How cool is that? The first step is believing in yourself. You can do it. When you're first starting out, it's important to choose one programming language to focus on. Once you've learned one language, it's much easier to learn others. Now let's dive into some common challenges and how to overcome them. Learning to code is like learning a new language. It can be frustrating at first, you might feel overwhelmed, you might feel like giving up. We've all been there. The key is to remember that everyone struggles at first. The secret is to not give up. When I first started coding, I was lost. I didn't understand the jargon. It was like trying to read a foreign language. I almost quit. But I kept going. I found ways to simplify things. And you know what? It worked. Section 4. My secret sauce to learning fast. So, how do you learn to code quickly? Let me share my secret sauce. First, pick a language that's beginner-friendly like Python or HTML. Find great resources online. There are tons of free coding tutorials and courses. You can find one that fits your learning style. Next, get your hands dirty with hands-on projects. Start small. Build a simple website or a basic calculator. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. I learned by doing. I built small projects to practice. Section 5. Keep coding and never give up. Remember that time I almost quit? Well, I had a breakthrough. I built my first website. It was simple, but I was so proud. That's when I knew I could do it. That's the power of coding. You can create anything you can imagine. To wrap things up, remember these key strategies. Choose the right language, find great resources, and practice, practice, practice. You can learn to code faster than you think. So what are you waiting for? Start your coding journey today.